Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Dell Vostro 3520. To open this affordable device, you have to undo 8 Phillips head screws. The ones in the top edges are captive, and they also raise up the bottom plate once you unscrew them. Pry one of the sides, the front, and the other side. The back should be last. To fully pry the rear, pop the zones behind the hinges and then the one between them. There is a dust filter in front of the ventilation grill on the inside of the bottom plate. The laptop that we bought has the default 41 watt-hour battery. You can also opt for the optional 54 watt-hour variant for a longer autonomous life when the charger isn't plugged in. To take it out, remove the connector by pulling it towards the battery and undo the 3 Phillips head screws that fix the unit to the chassis. The capacity is enough for around 7 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Energy Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the optimized mode applied in the BIOS. The Wi-Fi card is upgradable. For storage, you get a SATA socket for regular 2.5-inch SSDs or HDDs and an M.2 slot for 2230 or 2280 Gen 4 NVMe drives. The SSD here has a metal plate on top that is held in place with one screw. The cap houses a small thermal pad on its bottom side. According to Dell, the two SODIMMs fit up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM in dual-channel mode. However, since the CPU can support up to 64 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. Interestingly, the devices with a Type-C port are compatible with 3200 MHz memory, while the others like our device are limited to 2666 MHz RAM frequency. The cooling system is basic, which is normal for such a laptop. It has a single fan, one heat pipe, a heat sink, and a heat spreader.